Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Anurag Chandre, Department of Commerce, Nogan Education Society's Arts and Commerce College, Parli Original from Maharashtra. Today, we have to discuss on GST. GST full form is Goods and Service Tax. Goods and Service Tax is tax of indirect tax and direct tax. GST as a popular known is the newest taxation system in India. To help you understand all about this new taxation system, we have created a GST. In simple words, GST and service tax is an indirect tax levied on the supply of goods and service tax. This law has replaced many indirect tax laws that previously existing in India. GST is one of indirect tax for the whole country. Under the GST regime, the tax is levied every point of sale. What is GST? GST is a concept and indirect tax which has replaced many indirect taxes like excise duty, service tax, VAT, central service tax, many other central and state level tax. Supply within same state there will be two taxes being center goods and service tax and state goods and service tax. GST stands for goods and service tax. Goods and service tax is an indirect tax levied on the supply of goods and services. This law has replaced many indirect tax. The best way to learn is to read the background of GST. There are 3 or 4 types of GST. Centers goods and service tax, state goods and service tax, and union territory goods and service tax are effectively supporting such major and economic development programs. GST stands for goods and service tax. Who must collect and pay GST when your turnover in financial year exceeds rupees 20 lakhs? Limit is rupees 10 lakh for some special category states. These limits apply for payments of GST. GST is structure will comprise of the central goods and service tax, state goods and service tax, and integrated goods and service tax, and additional tax up to 1% will be levied on the interstate supply of goods. Therefore, these goods do not come under VAT and have no input tax credit. What are the GST rules? There, ensure all documents have your GST in, the clients of supplier GST in whether applicable. Don't charge tax GST. Make sure you split it correctly in between CGST and SGST or IGST. Here we GST types: IGST, integrated goods and service tax, and state goods and service tax, and central goods and service tax, and union territory goods and service tax. Here some characteristics of GST. GST is some key features. Concurrent judicium for levy collect of GST by the center and state. Article 246A. Center to levy collect IGST on supply in the course of interstate. Recommendation of GST clause 19. GST on petroleum, crude oil, high speed diesel, motor speed, any natural gas, and after that later recommendations. Before GST came in India, some taxation powers of centers: income tax, income other than agriculture income, excise duty on goods manufacturer, custom duty. Custom duty means tax on imports and export business, custom duties also, service tax, special service provider and receiver on tax, central sales tax also powers has center, stamp duty, many other types of taxation powers of centers. Some taxation powers has states government, VAT, value added tax, sale tax on purchase of sales and goods other than newspapers within state, excise duty, alcoholic liquor for human consumptions, rates of stamp duty on other 10 specified instruments, land revenue, tax on agriculture income, toll free toll tax, land and buildings, entertainment tax, goods and passengers carried road on taxes, profession taxes, trades, calling and employments, luxuries, many other tax recover by the state government. Many drawbacks in current tax system means indirect tax and direct tax, confusion and mistrust, many confusions, number of confusions in tax system, complex and lacking in stability, every year changes, rules, regulations, some provisions, hidden tax on export, no state tax on imports, export and import tax is calculated by the center government, no powers to state government, high transaction cost, narrow base. We can see here tax structure in India before the come GST. Number of taxes. When one person wake up from sleep to night, many tax filled by the traders, purchasers. So these are many drawbacks in the current tax system. So GST is one tax system to whole country, entire nation. One tax, one nation. is a basic principle announcement by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. Here definition of goods and service tax means GST. Goods and service tax is on goods and service tax. It is leviable at each point of sale, provision of service. At that time of sale of goods or providing the service, the seller or service provider can claim the input credit tax which he has paid while purchasing the goods or processing the service. This is simple, very simple of VAT. It can be termed as a national level VAT on goods and service. Here, the seller or service providers collect the tax from their customer who may not be the ultimate customer, and before deposit the executor deduct the tax they have already paid. Why do need GST today in India? In Indian economy, the service sector contributes over 55%. Service tax is from 1991 is very low. After that, Indian government policy change. We adopt liberalization, globalization and privatization policy adopt. After that, service sector is very fast increased in India. So service sector in our economy share of 55%. So we is essential of GST in India because there is no separate tax rates in India for service tax. So GST in separate taxation of goods and services neither viable nor desirable. Value added in manufacturer and of goods or require inputs of the both goods and service. Here GST works in this way. The dealers register under the GST means manufacturers, wholesaler, suppliers, any retailer, any service supplier is registered by the GST law. Charge GST on the price of goods and service for their customers. They will claim credits for the GST include the price their own purchase of goods and services. In this way, any manufacturer, any supplier, any service provided is registered by the GST Act, and in this way register under GST. Here businessman is registered for GST must. There are other types of sales where GST is not included in the price. We can see here GST rate in the world. In India, minimum 0% means 5%, maximum 28% rate of GST in India. But other than in the world, China 17%, Indonesia 10%, Philippines 10%, Taiwan 5%, UK 17.5%, Australia 10%, France 19%, Germany 16%, Denmark 25%. Near about 140 nation is applied of GST tax system in the world. Indicative GST rates here in India, some goods is totally exempted from the GST tax. Just like food grains, any food grains, wheat, pulses, bread, salt, milk, vegetables, meat, fish, these are all totally exempted from GST tax. Goods at lower rate on tea, milk powder, coffee beans, toy, BD bicycles, government aided public health and education are totally exempted. These are tax system under the GST. Central taxes, tax administrations is many number of administrative systems is old tax system, but GST is one leading administrative management body is leading of the GST factor. Here we can see here central levies, excise duty, custom duty, central tax, service tax. These are old structure of taxation. These are state government taxes structure. State government, state levy, VAT, levy tax, entertainment tax, toll tax, road tax, revenue, many numbers of stamp duties. But in GST, single tax administration uniform law or computerized uniform service. We can see here when 1st July 2017 GST Act applicable in India, there are 0% GST rate. I told that first time. Fresh meat, fish 0%, 5% GST here. Fish, fillet, cream, milk powder, bread, rusk, sabudana. These are some examples of 5% rate of GST. Some examples 12% GST rate. Butter, cheese, ghee, dry foods in packaged forms, animals fat, tooth powder. These are rate of 12% GST rate. Then under the 18% GST rate, pasta, cornflakes, pastries, cakes, tissues, tampons, notebooks, steel product, cameras. These are examples. Some examples of 28% GST rate. Here chewing gum, molasses, chocolate, wafers coated with the chocolate pan, masala, water, filters, print, shaving creams, aftershave hair shampoos, wallpapers, machines, vacuum cleaner, hair clippers, automobiles, motorcycles, aircraft for personal use and any other. These are 4 items outside of GST. First is alcohol. For human consumption power to tax remains with the state, but it is outside of GST. Then 5 petroleum products are outside, that is not control GST tax. Crude oil, diesel, petrol, natural gas. These are GST council to decide the date from which GST will be applicable, how many rate of taxation. then tobacco part of GST but power to levy additional excise duty. Then entertainment tax levied by local bodies, power means state government will decide how to tax on the entertainment tax. A whole the India control of GST, some body formed by the central government, GST Council. Constitution article 279A of the Constitution, one chairperson is appointed by the central government, means Union Finance Minister is chairman of GST Council. Vice chairman to be select among the minister of the state government. In India, any state one can select of vice chairperson of the GST Council. Then member of the state finance and minister finance taxation is state. Every state government finance minister is compulsory member of the GST Council of India. Quorum is 50% of total members. States 2/3 weightage and center 1/3 weightage. Decision by 75% is the majority. Decision will make the majority is the law, means 75% is majority decision. Council to make recommendation on everything related to GST, including laws, rules and rates. GST Council will take decision. There holds limit for exemption to be rupees 20 lakh. Category state except Jammu and Kashmir. Above 20 lakh of turnover, some of the businessmen will be registered compulsory under the GST Act. Compounding their hold limit to be 1 crore with turnover limit recommended to be raised 1.5 crore in 23rd GST Council meeting to be notified after necessary amendment in the Act. 4 tax rates, namely 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. These are 4 type of GST rate in India. Some goods and service would be exempt. Separate tax rate 3% or 0.5% for metals, some metals. Categories tax rate: traders 1%, manufacturer 2%, restaurant 5%. And turnover limit recommended to be raised to rupees 1.5 crore. 23rd GST Council meeting notification issued by the meeting amendment in the Act. GST Council took some decisions. Says over the peak rate 28 on the specified luxury sin goods to ensure single interface, all administrative control over 90% taxpayers having turnover belong rupees 1.50 crore would vest with the state tax administration. 10% taxpayers having turnover below rupees 1.50 crore would be with central tax administration. These are decisions taken by the GST Council. GST Council many decisions take. Provisions of about traders, businessmen, industries and many other turnover in India. Facility of manual filling of refund application, means businessman can fill the manually also and online also return form of the GST taxation. Here some key features, key points of the GST. HSN to be applied for goods uniform return of collection procedure for central and state GST. We can see any voucher number when we purchased one goods, that is on right side of the voucher, 13 digit PAN based common registration number of the traders. Main features of the this act are composition therefore shall be 100 lakhs, center to levy collect IGST supplier in the course of interstate supplier also, PAN based registration, PAN number is compulsory to registration, input tax credit available on taxes paid, goods and service tax network in India is very special for the recovery of the tax, refund to be directly credited to bank account, comprehensive transaction provisions for the smooth transaction of existing taxpayers of GST, special procedure for job work, system of GST complaints rating, anti-profiting provision, national anti-profiting authority being set up, standing committee on set up, state level screening committee for the GST. Here we got some benefits of the GST. Overall reduction in prices in inflation, decrease. Inflation is decrease because GST tax system. Reduction in cascading of taxes is doing business, common national market, benefit to small taxpayers, self-regulatory tax system, non-intrusive electronic tax system, decrease in blank transaction, GST create common market nationally, attract foreign investment, helps to have uniform taxation, helps improve production and encourage to entire international market, small retail have nil tax or low tax, consumers are benefited by purchasing from the small retailer, simplified tax regime consumer, state to gain India reduction in multiple taxes, consumption based tax, export to be zero rated, protection of domestic product, goods and service tax network. Here incorporate in March 2013 as a section 25 private limited company with paid in capital of rupees 1 crore goods and service tax network. That is a share of that company, center government 24.5% and all state government 24.5% and other financial institution is 51% is equal to 100% capital of tax network company. The function of common pass-through portal for taxpayers. Then GST, as we look at India to have only two indirect taxes, namely both center GST and state GST. Before GST in India, number of tax rate, number of taxation laws, but when we applied of the GST, here only two names of tax, center GST and state GST, and custom duty, center GST to include center excise, service excise and education sales. State GST to include combination of all taxes presently levied by the state and octroi by the multiplies. CST needs to be phased out before the introduction of GST. In India, goods and services tax network is established by the center government. Here the GST and software is developed by the Infosys Technologies and the Information Technology Network that provide the computing resources is maintained by the NIC, National Information Goods and Service Tax Network is notified organization from creating a network stakeholders, government and taxpayers to access information from single sources portal. The portal is accessible to the tax authorities for the tracking down every transaction while taxpayer have the ability. The tax network authorities capital rupees is 10 crore, in which initially the center government, I said that, but here changes. 24% center government share, state government held 24.5%, and remaining 51% were held by the non-government financial institutions. That is, HDFC Bank hold 20%, ICICI Bank holds 10%, National Saving Exchange Investment holds 10%, and LIC Housing Finance holds 11%. In this way, GST in India, how to work and how to control the tax system of our nation. So here clear the concept of GST. Thank you so much. See you again next concept. Okay.